Howdy friends, Wil Reynolds here for another Wasteful Wednesday. This Wednesday, we're going to talk about conferences and events. When someone puts the word conference or event at the end of a keyword, it usually means they were interested in a conference. So if you're going after the core keyword and you're not negating words like conferences or events, you could be wasting a lot of money. So let me show you how to stop that crap. Let's go. So you're looking at a web hosting conference. Web hosting conference. Come on, Amazon, negate the word conference, man. These clicks are super freaking expensive, people. And you can just see ad after ad after ad after ad. Then you look at like individual companies' conferences. And remember, you want to be super, super careful if you're targeting a competitor to make sure you're not targeting that competitor's name and showing up for their conference. All right, so here's a couple of folks here. Something I've noticed about this phrase is a lot of nonprofit organizations might be getting Google grants and they may not be so strong on monitoring their stuff, so sometimes that happens. But then you also want to be careful around conference names like, here we go, CloudFest 2020. It's like, all right, Accelerate 2020 conference. You're an online learning consortium about e-learning. That's very, very, very specific. Probably not something you want to target. Shout out the folks at VMworld. Cloud Conference 2020, boom. Linux Foundation, boom, good job. But then down here at ARC, you're about the federal government. My search phrase was Cloud Conference 2020. Come on, man. So if you're digging Wasteful Wednesday so far, remember, if you go to our Saving Ben tool, you will be able to take some of the stuff we've already found and upload your keywords, and we'll be able to kick back to you an analysis. And if you've got some hypotheses that you want us to consider looking at, go ahead and email them to me, and I'll see if I can include them in our next Wasteful Wednesday. Take care, guys.